You probably saw at some point that horses have those metal horseshoes on their hoof. And that raises natural question. Horses in the wild don't have them. Back in the days, horses also didn't have them. So why do they need that? To answer that, first we need to understand what the horse hoof is. That's the end of horse leg. It's basically like a fingernail on our fingers. It is made from the same material as actually our fingernails or our hairs. It is made from the keratin. And it has the same features basically. It is hard. Horse do not feel anything through it. It doesn't have any nerves inside. And it is growing continuously, basically all the time, about a centimeter per month. So now when you know this, it will be easier to understand what is going on with those horseshoes. A horse in the wild walk long distances on their own pace, and that hoof that grows centimeter every month wears out naturally. It basically just trims itself. Horse that we keep in the stables or they walk on the soft ground, that hoof grows and it doesn't wear that fast. So it is continuously growing and it is changing the shape of the leg. That creates the stress on the joints and that might create the pain for the horse. Another thing, horses in the wild carry their own weight and that's it. The horses that we have, they might carry a people on top or some heavy things, or they can tow some things, and that makes the hoof wear down faster than it would naturally do. And if that wears down that fast, it starts to crack, it wears down too much, and basically gravel starts to touch sensitive tissues of the horse leg. And that creates a lot of problems and pain for the horse. So horseshoe solves that. Actually solves both of those problems. If you add a metal plate, not a plate, that thing on horse hoof, it increases friction. That's a really important thing on the stones and things like that. It decreases the wear of the hoof. So horses can carry more weight, can go longer distances, can go faster, can do more things without damaging their legs. And the third thing, that hoof need to be mounted on. There comes a farrier. That's the name of that profession. A farrier comes and he mounts the horseshoe on the hoof. He'd do that every 6 to 8 weeks. And at the same time, when they mount that, they trim the excessive hoof, that overgrown. So that solves both of the problems and the horse legs stay healthy. You're probably thinking about one thing that I'm thinking about. Does it hurt? Because if you ever saw how it's done, they just basically nail that in with nails. And from the side, that doesn't look very, I don't know, it doesn't look nice. It looks like it could create some pain. But in reality, as I mentioned, that hoof is made from keratin. It doesn't have any nerve, basically just like our nails. If we clip our nails, we don't feel anything. So the same with that mounting of horseshoe. Horses do not feel anything. And have you ever wondered why our fingers wrinkle in the water? That's an ancient and very interesting feature of our body, which I have a video about that, and it is here. So see you in this video.